Today, I want to try to talk about Switzerland. It lies in the heart of Europe. It's about 41,085 square kilometers surface area, divided into three regions, including the Alps. The Alps covers 58% of the country. Switzerland has around 1.5 thousand lakes, together with other bodies of water like streams and lakes. The Rhine, Rhone, Reuss, and Ticino are the main rivers located in Massive, the heart of Swiss Alps. So now I want to talk about the natural beauty of Switzerland. Natural beauty of Switzerland will take your breath away. It's a unique and slightly amazing country.